Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn a feature of Google which is called Google Lens, and this Google Lens is used for a number of tasks. We are going to demonstrate this powerful feature of Google for four different scenarios. For example, we have an image uh, like this one. This is an image from a research paper, and we have downloaded it and we are using it in our research, but we are not sure that it's copyrighted or not. So finding the source of this image, uh, we will demonstrate Google Lens for this one, image search. A second scenario that we will try to simulate and learn using Google Lens is this is a handwritten document in Urdu language, and we want to transform it into computerized list. So Google Lens can help us in extraction of data, even if it is in handwritten form, and can be converted into mm, computer based list or data. The third scenario that we will try to learn is that, for example, we have this letter received from some organization, and we are going to reply to this document, but the document is an image form. So rewriting of the text of this document and giving a response, it takes time. So we can take help of the Google Lens to extract this data from the image, and then take help of the chat GPT to generate an automatic response to this letter. And the fourth and the last scenario that we will try to demonstrate using this Google Lens is that, for example, I'm trying to apply for some foreign job, but the description of the job is in some other language, and I have to write this language and translate it and then understand and apply accordingly. So for these four scenarios, we are going to demonstrate and learn this feature of Google Lens. So click on this Google Lens and upload your image file over here. So I'm going to upload for the first one for image search. That, for example, I have this image. I'm going to upload it over here, and the Google is automatically going and searching it in its repository that is this document has been taken from some source, and if yes, then which one is that resource. So I will click on this find image source, and it will search that from where this document has been taken. So from 4 5 places it has been found, and this is a research paper. And the source of this image is in this document. So we can see if we go down, so we can find it. So this was the first scenario that Google Lens is used for image search. The second use of Google Lens is that, for example, I am going and uploading my second document, and that document was about a handwritten document written in Urdu language. So once this document is uploaded, here we can see that I will extend the selection area, and once the selection area is extended, then I will click on this text option. The search option is demonstrated in the first scenario. The second option is I will click on the text, and when I will click on the text, here an option comes that select all the text, or if you are interested to select some of the text from this document, then by using this mouse, you can select some particular section of the text, and now you can see that this text, image written text, is recognized and it has been extracted over here. And now you can take this text, you can copy it from here, and you can take it to any Word document where you. So now the handwritten list is converted to the computerized list. So this is, you can see that this is a powerful feature, and you can organize this text in your own way. The third scenario that we are going to demonstrate is, I'm going back to the Google Lens and uploading my image for the third scenario. Uh, for example, the third scenario is that I have this letter received from some. I'm working in an office, and this is a letter which is received from some office, and I want to write a response to this letter. So first, I have to extract data from this one to rewrite this in my Word document, and then generate the response. So why I do this? Why not to use this Google Lens and extract the text? So I can do it by mouse selection, or I can, when I click on this text here, an option comes, select all the text. I'm going and selecting all the text, so the whole text is selected and it's over here. Now I go and copy this text, and once the text is copied, again I can go and add it into my Word document. For example, this is, so it 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 has made my work easier and quicker. It was difficult for me to rewrite this text and then generate a response. So the text is automatically extracted and converted into a computerized form. And if you are going to write a response to this letter, you can integrate, you can use ChatGPT or any other AI tool and generate a response quickly. For example, I am going to use ChatGPT, and using this extracted text and asking the ChatGPT to write a response. So I'm going to paste this whole text over here and asking this ChatGPT to generate a response letter saying that all the documents have been verified. The theme of this letter was that some document was sent to some office for verification, and I have copied this. Now I am asking this ChatGPT to rewrite a response to this letter. So the ChatGPT is extracting data from that letter and generating a response that all the requirement document has been verified. You can copy this response from here and can use it as a response letter. So it has made my job easier. The letter is being written. Now I'm going to demonstrate the fourth feature and scenario of Google Lens. uh, I'm going back to the Google Lens and demonstrating the fourth and the last scenario, uploading the image. And this time I am uploading an image which is for an image which is in some other language other than English, and I'm unable to understand it. So I have uploaded this image, and it is an advertisement for a job or scholarship. So I have to extract this data from here and go to Google Translator and translate it, but it's an image and I cannot copy data from this image. So again I am uploading it over here, going to click on the text, and here that the fourth option we demonstrated, that first search text, and the third feature is translate. So I am going to click on this. So it's automatically detect the language and translating it into the language which you want to translate it. So this document is translated into the English language, and you can copy from here and you can generate a letter. So it has made this is, you copy this from here, and you can take it to any Word document and read it at your ease over there, that what this document says. So this is all about Google Lens and its powerful feature. So three feature of Google Lens has have been demonstrated: image search, extraction of text, and translation of documents. So you can, this can speed up your office work, and even this can be used in research as well. If you have research document which are not understandable for you because they are in some other language, so you can use this tool and speed up your research work. Thank you.